Hey guys, it's me, Violin Cat. Today's video is going to be how to draw Galaxy Potato Cat. The materials you're going to need are colored pencils in purple, black, dark blue, and light blue. Then, the next materials are going to be white paint and the smallest paintbrush you can find. Then a pencil and a piece of paper. Now let's get started. First, you want to start out by drawing potato cat shape. Start with the little potato shape, then a tail, like you did in my first video. If you haven't watched that video, be sure to go check it out. Accidentally made the tail a little too big. Now you're going to want to add a triangle and another triangle for his ears. Now go ahead and grab your colored pencils. Grab any color you want and start drawing a little color splotch over anywhere you want actually. Just draw lots of little color splotches all over the cat in different colors. And just keep doing that until you filled up the whole cat along with its ears and tail. Okay, now that you're done with that, you're going to want to grab a white pencil. Sorry, I forgot to mention it at the beginning of the video. But now that you have it, start by coloring at the very corner of the cat and work your way up until you've colored in the whole body and the ears and the tail. This helps blend the colors together. Cool! Now that you're done with that, grab your white paint and your teeny tiny paintbrush. Now dip the paintbrush in the white paint and start putting little white dots all over the cat. These are the stars. You can put star shapes or even shooting stars if you want. That'll look pretty cool. There! And now you're done! I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!